that time again to update you on how Pan That palette is going. In case you're new here, I am penning theBalm's Nude Dude Volume 2, and I have to say, I'm starting to get really bored with this palette. I do have a lot of progress to show you, so without further ado, let's put up what last check-in's progress looked like. You can see we've done really good. We've gotten rid of that one shade entirely. We've hit quite a bit of pan on 2 shades, and then that 3rd shade has a little bit of pan peeking through. So super exciting, but like I said, I'm starting to get really bored with this product. So some things that I've been doing is using these 3 colors here as eyeliner, and other than that I haven't really been doing anything new. Yeah. So we've been still using Flirty as a blush topper, Feisty as blush. We've been using Fabulous as a highlighter shade and Flawless as our contour shade. Yep. Absolutely nothing exciting to fill you guys in with this palette. And quite honestly, I don't think I would repurchase this one just because I'm not feeling inspired anymore. And what is it? Middle of March. We've still got a whole year to go with this palette. So definitely just wouldn't repurchase this just from the lack of inspiration that I'm starting to get only a quarter of the way in. So that's the update I have for you guys on this one. Unfortunately, I wish it could be a little bit happier of a check-in. Progress-wise, it's great. Palette-wise, I'm done. Wish me some good luck in the comments. I feel like I'm going to need a little bit of motivation, but thank you for checking in. Hopefully next time I'll have a little bit more of a positive update to give you. Maybe we'll re-find some inspiration. I don't know. But until then, thanks for checking in, guys. Bye.